I want to go and complete my injection.
Oh, okay. Let me help you.
Come on. In my slippers.
Okay. Gently. Easy, oh? You'll be fine. Mama, are you sure you can go alone?
Just come here, let me hold you and come down.
But you don't look strong.
Don't worry, I can manage.
I know you can manage, Mama, but I can't leave you to go alone.
Don't worry,
Mama, no. Wait, I'm going with you. Let's go. Wait. Let me go with you. I know you can manage, but let me go with you. You'll be fine. I don't understand this injection. It's not working.
Honey, why are you bringing down everything? What are you looking for?
I told you I'm looking for the 300,000 naira I kept in my wardrobe.
300,000?
Yes.
Hey!
Have you seen it?
No, I didn't even know you came back with money. 300,000! Hey! Joyce! Joyce boy! Where are these children? Come in here.
No. What is going on?
Did you see the money? Come closer. Last time I said you let me know where you took the money. Did you see the money your father kept in the wardrobe?
Money?
I
didn't see any money. Chiboy, did you see any money? I've not even entered this room. Talk more of taking any money from me.
Oh, so what you people are trying to tell me is that the 300,000 naira I came back to this house with just grew wings and fly away just like that.
Dad, it's just a simple question. Are you really sure you came into this house with the money, or you left it in your office or in the village?
What are you insinuating? Huh? I came back to this house with it.
Dad, it's not just that. You know how forgetful you can be. The other day you nearly brought down this house because you were searching for your car keys, which I later found in your room. Are you sure about this?
Daddy, she's right too.
Oh, you shut up.
Sweetheart, why not go to the office and check in your drawers? The office is not far from here. 5 minutes drive, you're there. Oh? Just check to be sure.
Well, I was about going to the office to get something, but I'll check it. But I was sure I came home.
I just check first to be sure. Oh? Just check when you get there. Hi! Hi!
Why are you here all alone? You're supposed to be out there making sales.
I've been noticing your mood since morning. You don't look happy. I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm just tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
You are not okay. It's because of your mom's on and off sickness.
No, Ada. My mother is fine and strong now. The medicine she has been taking is working well. I'm fine. It's just stress.
stress?
Yes.
Then what is the problem?
I don't know how to explain. My body has been doing me somehow since morning. I'll be fine.
Well, if you said so.
Yes, I said so. Can we go now and continue with our selling? I have a lot of buns to still sell. Yes, can we have to pay some?
Yes, so we can go.
You see? Come here, you! Where you? Come here! Look how I stand here. This is good business. When you know a man's weakness, you use it very well.
Very well.
So we can actually do good business together. Hi. Bianam, I'll give you 2,000 naira later. Bro.
Mom, what can 2,000 naira do for me? And in fact, it's like I'll tell daddy what the both of you are planning.
Are you mad? Chiboy, come back here. Come back here.
I'll give you 3,000, don't worry.
No, Mom, what are you saying? No, why would you even add 1,000 to it?
I'll just go and tell daddy.
Do you know anything? Come, I'm asking you. Did you know anything about the money?
I'm not going to talk to
Is
you.
it because we decided to
daddy.
involve you? You tell him what?
The both of you are planning on how to share the money.
I'll tell you it's you that stole the money.
No, let him implicate himself.
I'll tell him it's you. Don't worry, I'll give you 4,000. If you don't want the 4,000, tell him it's you that stole the money.
Mom, you're still adding money to that. I believe it's from your own part of the shares.
Don't worry.
It's not from mine.
Chiboy, come. Use this your head well.
Greedy teeth.
This your head says something.
Bonds. You want to buy bonds?
Munachi.
Oh,
Munachi, come.
Please do.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You and this your sir. Munachi, I have told you, stop calling me sir. Leave all these formalities and call me by my name.
I'm sorry, sir. Michael.
Why is your face like that? What is the problem?
Nothing, sir. I'm fine. Sorry, nothing, Michael. I'm fine. It's just stress.
Stress? Munachi, you are lying to me. I have told you, I really care about you. Whatever the problem is, relate with me. I want to help you. So try and understand.
And I've told you several times that I'm not interested. I'm not ready to let any man into my life. I don't want to disappoint my mother.
Talking about your mother, to let you know how serious I can be, I am ready to meet your mother.
I do not want. There are lots of beautiful, smart, intelligent girls out there. Why me?
I know. I have seen lots of girls, beautiful girls, but it is you my heart beats for. Do you think I've not met girls before? No, it is you that I want and I have my reasons. Try and understand.
Mr. Michael, please, I have to go. I need to finish all myself.
It's okay. Please, don't give me that look. I don't mean to come out harsh like that. What I am saying is, I really care about you. These things that you sell, how much are they?
Everything.
Yes, how much?
1,000.
1,000 there. Here, this is double the amount, I want you to take that money, go home. This sun is too hot.
No.
Everything.
Thank you, sir.
Aha, now you are smiling. Alright.
You're so lucky, oh. You've already made 2,000 naira already.
Yes,
Wow. Are you still going to be selling or you go home?
I wish I can, but I have to go. My mother needs me.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Now you're so happy.
Yes, so I have to go now.
And tomorrow, yes. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Please go and sell. Bye, boss.
Somebody help! Munachi! Somebody help! Munachi! Please here! Munachi! Must wake up! Munachi, wake up! Munachi, wake up! Hey!
Sir, sit.
I'll sit. But you're sure the doctor's attending to?
Yes.
Okay.
Just relax. Mr. Richard, you can't go in there.
I just want to make sure that the doctor is attending to her.
The doctor is attending to her. Please calm down.
And she's fine?
Yes.
Okay. I'm calm. Nurse, how is she?
She's fine. I assure you the doctor is taking care of her. Please calm down.
Doctor,
yeah.
How's she?
Her condition is critical. If you hadn't brought her here, she would have been dead. But thank goodness, she's stable now. But we'll have to run a test and it's calm to make sure she's not had any head injury or internal injury.
Please, whatever you have to do to make sure that she gets back on her feet, please do it.
Okay, sir. We'll make sure we'll do our best. But first, you have to fill a form and make a payment so her treatment will commence.
Okay, how much is it?
Sir, you can deposit 300,000.
300,000?
Yes, sir, exactly.
Okay, yeah, give me your account details. Let me.
No, the nurse will attend to you.
Okay, she?
Yeah, she
okay, I'll do that, but please take very good care of her.
I will, sir.
Okay, young miss, the hospital account, so let me transfer money to you. This one. Okay.
I'm ready. What's wrong?
Is he not your father? He's not picking his calls.
Mom, is that why your face is like this? You know he could be busy or something.
So busy that he can't pick his calls.
Mom, don't worry. He's fine wherever he is. Please, the money. I'm ready to go meet the guy that will write my exam for me so I can pay him up.
I told you that I don't want to give you this money. I know you very well. If I give you this money, you go and buy clothes. Mom. I don't want you to take this money.
Mom, can you listen to me? Look at me, Mom. I cross my heart. I'm giving it to him straight up. I won't touch it. I won't spend a dime from it.
We have agreed on this before. Tell the guy to send me his account details. I will forward the money straight to him.
John, the lady at Code 5 needs your attention. Okay.
It's okay, right?
Okay, sir. Please sign here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Uju, sir.
Uju.
Yes, sir.
I just want to thank you for the way you attended to me when I brought her in. It was extraordinary.
It's fine, sir. It's nothing.
It's something. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Please, I would appreciate it if you keep an eye on her. Whatever she needs, please don't hesitate to let me know. Let me give you my number. Okay. Yes, this is it. Do not hesitate to call me anytime, any day. Okay? Please. And hold on. Hold this. Use this to get yourself something nice. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I will make sure I take care of her.
Okay. Don't hesitate to call me.
No problem.
Even if it's in the middle of the night, call me, I'll answer.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
I'll do just that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 10 missed calls from my wife.
Mom, listen, we're still saying the same thing. I can actually do this myself.
I'll just transfer it.
You don't know this guy. It's me he have business with, not you.
Please wait, your father is calling. Hello, honey.
Hello, honey. I just saw your missed calls. Now.
Yes. Have you seen the money? Jesus, eh? Hi. So sorry. Oh? Hi. Next time you have to be very careful. Eh? If you bring money home, tell me so we can keep it together. Biko. Oh? I've prepared your food. When are you coming back? Okay. Oh, be careful. Oh, so sorry. Hi.
Mom.
What did you laugh? So you hear you.
Mom, I'm sorry. But did I just hear you say you help him keep the money?
In that way now, will not steal that day.
As in keeper of all mankind?
Yes, money. Keep up money.
Thank you. Mom, back to business. Can I have the money now?
We're done with this discussion.
This isn't what we agreed on. Mom, you're getting... Mom, listen, you're taking the piece right now. This is what we agreed on.
I'm not giving you this money.
has Munachi been now? Since I've not seen her.
Hello, ma.
Munachi, where are you now? I've been waiting for you since. Where have you been?
Sorry, ma, this is not your daughter. The owner of the phone is lying unconscious in the hospital.
What? What happened? Hospital? What happened?
She was involved in an accident.
Accident? Which hospital, please?
Root Care Hospital, ma.
Please help me take care of my daughter. She's all I have got. Help me. I will soon be there now. Oh, thank you very much. God bless you. Who do I call? I don't even have strength.
Dad, your food is undone and you haven't touched it.
I've lost my appetite. I have a lot on my head.
But Dad, I said
Chill boy, if the food is your problem, you can go ahead and eat it. I don't want to eat.
Dad, I know
what's wrong with you? Can't you just let me be?
Every day and night,
who did this to my only child?
Madam, you have to calm down so you don't disturb the patient. She will be fine.
Every day and night,
she's all I have got. Just hold.
Please, you have to calm down. We'll try our best to save your daughter's life. As for now, you don't need to stress your health. You look sick.
My health is not important. My daughter's life is more important to me. I don't even mind giving my life for her to live. No, Subiko, how much will this treatment cost? Let me go and rally around for money to pay for her treatment.
Madam, you don't need to worry about all that. The man that brought her already paid for everything. You have nothing to worry about. Yes, ma'am.
The man paid for everything.
He paid for everything.
Please bless him whatever he is, because Nurse, please help me take care of her. I will have to go home, prepare food so that when she will go, she'll see something to eat. And bring some clothes for her to change. This thing people want, I don't know what is it, leather or what.
Mama, this is our hospital uniform for our patients. Don't worry, I will take care of her. And when she wakes up, I will tell her that you were here with her.
Please,
okay.
Tell her that I was there and I'm going to come very soon.
Okay.
Biko. Please help me. Pity me, my mama.
Honey, what is wrong with you? You've not been yourself since you lost that money. What is going on?
I'm okay. I'm alright.
If you're okay, why didn't you touch your food? You left your food untouched on the dining table.
I'm not hungry, okay? I'm not hungry. It's fine.
Then if you're not hungry, let's go there and you drink juice. Just a glass of
Can't I just be left alone? Huh? Can't I just be left alone? Can't I just be?
Sorry. I didn't mean to get you angry.
I'm not angry. I'm not. I just want to be left alone. Please.
It's okay. And then let me bring you water.
I don't want anything. Please.
What of juice? Just a glass. Okay. It's okay, I won't ask again.
Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Chimo, biagu gomo bio. Chimo, biagu gomo bio. Yes, every day and night I pray. So give my happy mom. Many wanna pull me down. Oh, yes. Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Chimo, biagu gomo bio. Chimo, biagu gomo bio. Yes, every day and night I pray. So give my happy mom. Many wanna pull me down. Oh, you're so.
Hello, ma.
Hello. Hello, nurse. Thank you. Nurse, please. I don't think I can make it to the hospital.
Ma, hope all is well.
I am so weak. Please. Help me when my daughter regain consciousness. Please help me. Find something for her to eat. Oh?
No problem, ma. I will do just that. Please, ma. Take care of yourself. Please. I have to go back to work now.
Thank you. Thank you. But please, don't let her know about my condition, please. I don't want her to be worried.
No problem, ma. I won't tell her anything.
Why is your face like this?
Chioma, it's Munachi's mother. That woman is very weak. As I'm talking to you now, she can't stand. She's very weak. And Munachi is in there lying unconscious.
Is that why your face is like this?
And what's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Look at her. Every time you be carrying someone's matter as if it's your father or your mother that is sick. I don't even have time.
Hi.
I get here? How come I'm in the hospital? Who brought me here? You were involved in an accident and a man brought you here. Nurse, please. I can't stay here. I have to go. I do not have money to pay for my bills. Please. Mom, you don't need to worry about all that. The person that brought you here paid for everything. Someone paid for me already? Yes, the man paid for everything. Nurse, please. I need to see this man. I need to thank him. Do you have his contact or anything? So I can reach and thank him, please. I have his contact, but you don't need to worry about all that because he will soon be here. So you will thank him one-on-one. Okay, okay, nurse. Easy, take it easy. My mom. My phone. Please, nurse, did you see my phone? I need to speak to my mother. I didn't see your phone, but you need to calm down. I can't calm down, nurse. My mom will be worried about me. I need to speak to her so she will know I'm at the hospital. Please. You don't need to worry. Your mom was here earlier and she told me to take good care of you. You don't need to worry about that. Are you sure? Trust me. Okay.
Love, she's not worried. She is not. Trust me. You need to have some rest now.
Okay, that's... My head. My head.
Sorry, try to relax. Machi's mother is not taking her call. What's wrong with this woman? Why is she not picking her call? I hope she's fine. Let me call Mr. Richard, since Munachi's mother is not picking. Oh, Mr. Richard is not picking his calls too. What is all this now?
And who are you calling on phone again? Eh? In fact, what is even wrong with you? Why are you trying to show that you're a better person here? Calling this one, calling this one. Are you the only good person here? You're just trying to show off. Eh? Esibo Madu. Can't they take care of that person? Eh? You're just here looking for who to call. You call this one, you call the other person. Anyways.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir. So what do you want to buy?
I don't want to buy anything. I'm looking for Munachi.
She's in the hospital, sir.
The hospital? What happened?
She was involved in an accident and a stranger took her to the hospital.
Are you serious? What hospital?
You don't have any idea, sir.
Okay, please, can you give me a house address? Let me go and check on her.
We don't know, sir.
What do you mean you don't know now? So since then you've not heard from her?
So we heard from her. She called with a nurse number to tell us she's fine.
Okay, fine. Please, do you have the number for the nurse? Let me...
Yes, sir. Let me call it. 081 00 64 3470. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, hello? Am I speaking to a nurse?
Yes, you're speaking with Nurse Uju.
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Michael. I just got your number now. There is a patient in your hospital. Munachi. Oh, yes. Please, I need you to attend to her.
Yes, sir. As we speak now, she's in a very critical condition. And I tried calling her mother and the man that brought her to the hospital, but none of them is speaking.
What's the name of the hospital?
Root Care Hospital, sir.
Oh, the one at Sembri... Okay, yes, I know it.
Sorry, sir, we can't operate on her till someone pays for the operation and signs some documents on her behalf.
What do you mean there is no... No, money is not the problem. Just attend to her. Listen, I'm on my way. Anything you need to do, just do it.
You don't need to worry, sir. We have given her some injections to calm the situation down.
Hey, listen, what's the meaning of that? What do you mean you will not attend to her until I pay money? Listen, if anything should happen to her, I will sue you people. Yes! I said I'm coming now. Alright, okay. Yes. Doctor, yes. I don't understand. Is this how you operate? So if no one came for her, that's why you just abandon her just like that?
Yes, sir. Calm down, sir. If it is in my power, I will operate on her. But I gave her some injections to calm her down.
Okay, fine. It's okay. What's the next thing to do now? I mean, what step? What do you want to do? How much is the operation? What do I need to do?
Okay, you have to make a payment of 200,000.
200,000, that's it?
Exactly.
Fine, so I'll do a transfer to you, right?
The document to sign and the account detail will be given to you at the reception.
Oh, I need to sign before I do that at the reception?
Yeah, exactly.
Everything is all okay?
Yes.
I'll do that right.
Okay.
Push my button, touch my hand and squeeze me like a bear. I'll come to life and show you how I'm been supposed to care for you, there for you. I'll be like you spit for you. I'll be my
10 missed calls. True boy. And you couldn't even wake me up.
But you are asleep now, you look so tired.
Oh, will you shut up? Can't you use your senses for once? What's wrong with you?
Dad, why are you getting so angry? You can just pick your phone and call the person back.
Am I even wasting my time with you? Get out from here! Get out! Out! Let's go now. Hello? I'm so sorry. My phone was ringing and my stupid son could not even wake me up. I am coming there right now. Thank you. Good afternoon. How is she?
Sir, the doctor is almost ready to start operating on her, but...
I understand. Let me have the form so that I can sign and make payment.
Sir, the young man that just left signed the document and paid for the operation.
I don't... The young man that was standing here?
Yes, sir.
Paid? Is he related to her?
I have no idea, sir.
How, Sandra?
She's fine. The doctor is already operating on her.
What? Excuse me. How many doctors do you have here? I thought the doctor is supposed to be attending to Munachi. What is wrong with you? How many doctors do you have here? Is that how you people operate? Eh? Listen, if anything should happen to her, I will...
No, sir. It's the same person we're talking about here.
Same person?
Young man, it seems you're the one that paid for her operation.
Yeah.
You know her well?
Of course, yes.
Forgive me, how well do you know this girl?
So you're asking me all these questions. Are you the man that brought her here and paid for treatment?
I am. I am. And I just want to confirm it's you so that I can refund the money you paid for the operation. You're a good man and you've done your part.
With all due respect, sir, what I did from my heart. I didn't do it so I'll be repaid.
Is there something I should know that I do not?
I should be asking you that question. Is there something you want to tell me? Because up to this moment you've been paying for a treatment. So is there something you think I need to know?
Chiboy, help me go tell mom that dad isn't picking his calls.
Every time I'm playing game, can't you see I'm playing game and you're disturbing me?
Are you mad? Oh, Chiboy, I can see you're beginning to grow wings in this house. Come on, will you stand up and go and do what I ask you? Are you mad?
Every time you're disturbing somebody in this house.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I can see it. I know what to do to you. It's yours.
Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down.
You want to press it?
On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night.
Mom, calm down. Are you sure that you didn't see any other thing there?
No.
You have to go inside there and check very well. There must be something else there. Huh?
I've checked everywhere. There's nothing else there.
Check again. The drawers, the foam, everything. Check it. Huh? Just turn everything round. Not anyway.
Yeah.
Hi. There must be something there.
Sir, respect yourself. Why are you rubbing her head? You want to wipe her memory away? Huh? I'm asking you. Nurse.
Please, sir, don't be angry. The visiting hour is over and only one person is allowed to stay with her.
Young man, you've heard her.
Excuse me?
You may leave.
Excuse me? Didn't you hear what she said? One person is allowed to stay here. So if I leave, why will two of you stay? Or you don't know you are two? I mean, will you leave so that one person will stay? Listen, from the look of things, I know you're very, very tired. Because you've been standing there looking for something to wedge. That's why you're putting your hand on the bed. As somebody that wants to fall. Go back home. I'll take it from here.
Strength is not of age. I told you earlier that I will refund you what you paid so that you can leave. Give me your account details.
I don't need to give you anything. You are tired. You are very, very weak. I can see it from your eyes and your right hand. You want to pull that drawer down. You are staggering. So go back home to your wife and your children. They need you. So at least you can faint in your bed. Go. I say go now. You are still looking at me.
With all due respect, sir, both of you are disturbing the peace of this hospital and that of the patient. Please, one person should leave.
Nurse, I will leave. But that doesn't mean I'm a coward. I just want peace to reign. And for Munachi to be fine.
Okay, sir.
Although I know when I leave, some people will sleep.
Hey, young man. You're forgetting something. Your account details.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. Why is your face like this?
Can you explain to me why you have been so stressed these days? You're always stressed all the time. What is going on?
It's work-related issues. You understand? I have issues at the office. I've been trying to sort things out, so a lot of stress.
From the office? Work-related? In that office?
No, but I'm sorting things out.
Ah, that's why you're stressed. Then could you explain this to me? Just explain this. I saw it in your drawer. Tell me the part of office that has that, please.
See, this is someone who I saw on my way to work. She had an accident and I had to rush her to the hospital. Is it now a crime to help someone?
I want to understand the connection with this hospital and the someone to your office. Is this hospital branch of the office? I don't understand.
Look, I don't know why you are like this. As we speak, the girl is unconscious. She's in the hospital. I had to take her there and pay her bills.
The girl? And you even know her name? Because they wrote the name there. How? I don't get it. I don't just get it. And you always stress office. You say you're handling office stress. I don't even get it.
Adora, stop putting words into my mouth. I did not do anything wrong. If you think I am cheating on you, You can take me to anywhere to swear. What is all this?
To swear. Because you have blocked all the swearing centers. If I take you here now, you have done something. Maybe you have jazzed yourself. So these swearing centers will not see. See, I will take you to somewhere you will swear and you will enter inside and you will not come out. Work related, office, accident, the hospital. In fact, what are you even saying? Give me my receipt back. It's me that saw that receipt. Give me that receipt back.
Oh, Mr. Richard. Everything is controlled. Don't worry yourself, okay? We were taking charge of everything. So,
thank you.
I hope you understand me.
No problem, doctor.
Okay.
Mr. Richard, the girl's mother is calling.
Oh, that's good.
Which person is calling? Which woman is calling? Huh?
Adora.
Which woman? Hello? Are you the one dating my husband?
You don't need to shout. You don't need to shout. Let me have the phone.
Stop! Stupid woman.
Adora.
Don't bother me. Don't.
Madam, this is a hospital. You don't need to shout here. If you have any issue, go home and settle
I'll shout! I'll shout!
This is not the way of doing things.
How is it done? Huh?
Please, if you have any issue,
Please, your own. Please.
Adora.
Don't bother me! What?
What is this?
Don't bother me.
Munachi, you are fine now. Really, you are stronger.
Thank you, doctor. Yeah. But what of my mom?
Oh, your mom?
Is she not here yet?
Oh, your mom was here earlier, but she went home to get some rest.
Same thing I was told earlier. Doctor, please, I need to speak to my mom.
Oh, don't worry. We'll speak with her later. You need to get some rest now.
Doctor, I've rested. My mother needs me by her side, please.
I know. Calm down, okay? She was here last night by your side when you were unconscious. Then she went home. I promised to call her as soon as you get fit to make a call. Okay?
Doctor, please, I need to speak to her. Try and talk to her for me.
Yeah, I will. You need to rest, okay? Sorry, dear. I'll do that, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And from the way you're smiling, it seems that you two know each other. If I may ask, how well do you know him?
I don't know him too well. But he has been asking me out for so long. And I refused because I'm scared of being used and dumped. I thought he was one of those guys that goes after innocent girls. But with this he just did. I think he's different.
Don't be too sure. Some men can go to any length just to get what they want. Besides, you're still a young girl and your concern right now should not be about men.
Well, if you say so,